Hello everyone. Now it's time for maths. As you know, we are doing revision of maths. We are doing second chapter and we had done till page number 39. Now on page number 40 there are a topic is adding bigger numbers. So we will see it again for your revision. Adding bigger numbers is a lot like adding three-digit numbers. Start with the ones, then move on the tens, hundreds, and so on. So, as I told you every time that whenever we are doing addition, we have to start the calculation from the ones place. Okay, here is one example. Four-digit numbers are there and we have to add these four-digit numbers addition. Now how will we do? The numbers are 2392 plus 501 5106. So what will be the answer? First of all, add the ones. So here two numbers are written, 2392 plus 5106. We have to write number properly and we have to write the number ones number at one line, tens number in one line, hundreds number in one line, and thousand number in one line. So we will start calculation from the ones. So 2 plus 6 is equal to 8. That is the ones place answer. Now secondly we will do at the tens. So at the tens place 9 plus 0 is equal to 0. No, 9 plus 0 is equal to 9. Now we will add hundreds number. 3 plus 1, 4. And then finally we will add the thousands. 2 plus 5 is equal to 7. So 2392 plus 5106 is equal to 7498. This is the calculation for these two numbers. Now exercise 2C, exercise second C, find the sum. This A, B and C we have to write here in the textbook, and I hope all of you had written this, but if you had not written then complete it. Now I am doing the first sum. Find the sum 3593 plus 2206. So from where will we start counting? Okay, we are going to start with here 3 plus 2, 5. Is it correct? No. We have to start addition at the ones place. So first of all we will start the addition from here 3 plus 6. This is the ones place. So we have to start from ones place. 3 plus 3 plus 6 is equal to 9. Then 9 plus 0 is equal to 0. No, 9 plus 0 is equal to 9. Then 5 plus 2, 7. And 3 plus 2, 5. So the answer is 5799. This is the answer for A. Now like that you have to do all the sums. B and C you can write, you can do addition in the textbook, but afterwards second question do these sums in your notebooks. So all these sums you have to do in your notebook. Now this is the project. you have to you have to do this by yourself. Try by yourself. Okay, now we will see how to check our addition, whether it is correct or not. Whatever we had done the addition, that is correct or not, that how will we check? For that, see here, check your addition. Jayati knows that she can add in any order and still get the same answer. She adds down first and then checks her answer by adding up. Now add down, check your answer by adding up. See, whenever we are doing addition, how we are doing our addition? For example, 122 plus 235. This is the sum. Now how we are doing? We are starting at ones place and we are adding 2 plus 5 is equal to 7. Same way, 2 plus 3 is equal to 5 and 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. Now this is the answer, and if we want to check whether it is correct or not, then we will adding up. We will adding up. Then we will again we will do again addition. Now how will we do this? Here we were doing 2 plus 5. But if we want to check our answer is correct, then we will adding up, means 5 plus 2 is equal to 7. Then 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. Then 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. So whatever we are doing, whenever we are doing addition, we are adding down. Afterwards, if we want to check our addition, we will adding up. So both the answer, this and this, both the answer will be same. Same here, second example, 519 plus 224. So whenever we are starting, we will start from the ones place, and what we are doing, 9 plus 4 is equal to 13. So we have to write here 3 and we will write here carried number 1. Then 1 plus 1 2 and 2 plus 2 4 and 5 plus 2 7. So this is the this addition that we are doing, that add down. Now if we want to check that our answer is correct or not, again we will write these numbers, and how will we do? We will adding, we will do the sum by adding up. So 4 plus 9 is equal to 13. We will write here 3 and then we will write here 1. Afterwards 2 plus 1 3 plus 1 4, and then 2 plus 5 is equal to 7. So both the answers are same. So in this way we can check our addition. Now here add down, check the answer by adding up. First one I am doing, after rest of the sums you have to do. 432 plus 226. First of all, we will start from ones place. 2 plus 6 is equal to 8. Then 3 plus 2, 5. And 4 plus 2, 6. So that we had done addition. Now it is correct or not? How will we check? For checking our addition, we will check our answer by adding up. Means this sum only we will do by adding up. Before, firstly, whenever we had done this addition, we had done 2 plus 6. Now we are going up. So 6 plus 2 is equal to 8. Then 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. And then 2 plus 4, 6. So like this you can do addition, and afterwards you can check your answer by adding up. And students, please don't look at my writings, because I am writing with this arrow and I can't write it properly, but you have to write all the sums at proper place and in proper writing. You have to keep your book very neat and clean, and your handwriting should be neat and clean. You know, in class also you had seen, whenever I was writing with this, you all were laughing. See how ma'am is writing. But you all of you know that you have to write in your book very neat and clean. So like this you have to do all these sums by yourself. I think some of you had done also, but those who had not completed this exercise, please do it in the textbook. All the sums you have to do in the textbook only. Now, second question, do not add. In this question, we don't have to do any addition. Use your understanding of numbers to answer. So here what we have to do, four numbers are given here and some questions are given here. We have to answer which two numbers will give a 4-digit answer sum. So these 4 digits are there, and from which which two numbers of 4 digit they gives us 4-digit आंसर. ये चार में से कौन से दो नंबर्स है कि जिसका आंसर हमें 4 डिजिट में मिलेगा. So do you know that? For that, what will you see? You have to see the highest number from these 4 numbers. So first one is 439 and 714. These are the high. These both are bigger number in comparison of other two numbers. So their addition will be the answer of these two numbers will be in 4-digit answer. Now second, which two numbers when added will give you a 0 in the ones place? So here what will you see that in all the numbers we have to add only ones place, the number of that two ones place number, it will come 10. So for that what will we see? 9 plus 6? No. 6 plus 9? No. 6 plus 4? Yes. 6 plus 4 is equal to 10. So here you have to write 186 and 704. Afterwards, which two numbers have a difference of 200? Means कौन से दो नंबर है जिसका डिफरेंस 200 आ रहा है. So how will we check? इसका डिफरेंस 200 आ रहा है, मतलब कि वो दोनों नंबर को हम अगर माइनस करते हैं तो उसका आंसर 200 आएगा. Then 239 minus 186. So no, 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. But we want answer of 200. So what will we do? 239, 186 is not the correct. 439 here at ones place and tens place, both the numbers are same, 39, and here is 4, here is 2 at hundreds place. So the difference between these